So we've got this double house to do here. It's about 200 years old. It was done in wheat straw. There's about 7 layers on there. And we're going to re-thatch it in wheat straw, which probably would take me about 2 to 3 months with a crisscross ridge. Yeah, so we're just going to replace it all and go from there. Let's go have a look. Right, so this is the old thatch on here, which is over 200 years old. There's 7 layers. The thatch lasts about 30 years, so 7 3s are 21, so it's 210 years. It's held on with tar twine, which was made before string, and they just had 1 single layer.
Gosh.
Come around here. This was all ladder, this is new. So, as you come...
Oh, you can see they're like machine cut batons.
Yeah, so this is all new. Obviously they've done a repair. And then from here to there is 210 years old.
Gosh. Totally, yeah, had to move out obviously.
Yeah. The other next door, they're still in.
Wow. Brave. And then on the roof, is that slate at the top?
At the top, yeah. Yeah, slate. Obviously that was an afterthought. So when we re-thatch it, we put lead round.
Okay.
Which would be better.
And then the lip of bricks, is that where the old line of thatch used to go to? Or?
Yeah, that's the old crown. So
okay.
Obviously the thatch went up about 14 inches from the raft, which is about 4 bricks up from that rafter.
Yep.
Over the years. So if you look at the fillet on the side, if you look at the cement fillet,
oh yeah,
that was the height of the thatch down.
Okay, so gradually over the years, as the thatch has been getting thicker and thicker, it's going raising up the height of the chimney, making the chimney closer to the thatch.
All they've done was thatched over and over and over and over and over.
Yeah.
So
yeah, because the insurance companies like at least 1.5 meters
same as that
of the chimney sticking above the ridge, don't they?
Yeah. So obviously on the cement fillet on this chimney down the bottom, obviously that was the original height down to the top of the rafter. So that's a good, what, 6 foot I reckon?
Gosh, 6 foot lost through thickness.
And there's a hole in the chimney, the rafter's been smouldering. See that where it's been smouldering? That's been smouldering for years, eh?
Yeah, getting hot.
On that side there.
And where's the missing brick?
Oh, that was on the other chimney.
Oh, that was on the other chimney.
Where it's black, we're in the chimmo.
Yeah.
Obviously that's where, you know,
it's just getting warm.
Getting warm.
Yeah. That's very risky. Yeah, definitely no open flames in a thatch if you can help it.
Just full of woodworm. It's all the woodworm.
And what happens with that? Do you treat it, replace it?
This is all coming off.
All coming off?
Everything's coming off.
All new wood?
Brand new roof.
Brand new roof.
Right the way through.
And will there be a fire retardant layer underneath, or?
Yeah, fire retardant inside, felt batten on the outside.
No PIR board or anything like that, because you want to be breathing, is that the way?
No, the felt is breathable.
Breathable felt?
On the outside.
So no insulation, because the thatch acts as insulation, is that?
Yeah, but on next door they wanted voted ceilings.
Okay.
So they're going to insulate in between the rafters.
Oh, on the inside of the house? Yeah.
These don't want it.
Okay.
They just want fireboard straight across.
Okay.
So, it's amazing, isn't it?
Totally. Well, that scaffolding is certainly a piece of engineering.
Try and break it.
So that's the tar twine. And what tar twine? And what's it? Tar twine. And what's that made from? Tar and twine.
Tar and twine, yeah. It is. There you go. So that is 210-year-old.
So it's like
easy 200. So it might be longer than 210.
Like old rope that's been picked apart by prisoners and then dipped in tar and then twined together again.
I don't know how they make tar twine.
Yeah. Well, I went to Bodmin jail, and one of the punishments was to undo old rope and turn it into twine, so then it can be reused. Yeah. So they might have just dipped it in tar and twiddled it together again.
They always use So these here, which is just bits of wood, just well split.
Yeah, split wood. Yeah,
split
that's
wood.
not sawn.
No, you put no
No.
nails. Obviously these were forged.
Handmade, hand forged nails.
Hand forged nails, so we can get one out. There you go. Look at that. 200-year-old. Amazing, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, not even galvanised, and it's lasted that long. That's because it's made of metal and there's plenty of it.
Look around the other side.
Yep.
Put the other side down.
This was a chimney and it's been removed.
Yeah. So that was the old flashing behind the chimney. So that went up like that.
Okay.
And the water ran down the sides. So that's all original.
And there's plasterboard there, straight.
Which is
Must get quite cold in there as well, and all those heating pipes as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
About disposal of the old thatch, how's that done? What do you do with that? You obviously put it in your trailer, do you?
Yeah, the farmer at the road, he puts on his muck heap
Okay.
and spreads it across the field.
Oh, that's a good idea. Back to nature.
Hence why I took the original spars out.
Yeah, no disposal charges then either.
Straight on these bolts.
Do you have different farmers that you dispose of your thatch with?
Yeah, I do, yeah.
Yeah.
Should head on.
Yeah, defo.
Look at the thickness of that chimney breast.
It's like a thermal store, you know, get that fire going, keep it going, and it holds the heat. But then so there's a little bit of blackening on the brickwork. Yeah. A lot of mortar splodged on the end there.
But that's one thick chimney breast, isn't it?
Yeah.
So the original roof.
You got an old
Original roof.
header tank up there, you can see.
Back in here.
Yeah.
That's original. Obviously this is, they've replaced
You got your lath and plaster.
lath and plaster there. So the thickness of this was obviously from there, it came out to about here,
Uh-huh.
it went down and it touched that scaffold bar.
Jeez. That's just loads.
There's loads and
How
loads
many
of it.
trips with the trailer have you done so far?
22.
Gosh, 20.
Still ain't finished. Well, all this to go today. This will be my last one.
Okay. Stripping it all down, yeah.
So that's the original
And there's some.
purlins. There's all woodworm reel up.
Oh God, look at that. That's just powdered.
It's just rotten.
Yeah, rotten.
And then if you look at the angle of that window, look, it's all come away. So it's all fell. So they got to replace them.
Gosh.
So it's all come away. If you look at the top, it was joined there.
Yeah.
And then over the years, the Thatcher's pushed it down, and it just pushed the window out and the brickwork.
Oh, and gave it that funny lean. So
Yeah,
it's probably originally like vertical, and now it's leaning out quite far.
So the brickie's going to take all this down, put a new wall plate through,
Uh-huh.
redo the two windows.
That's like a new house, basically.
So that's the original A-frame. So they're keeping that one.
Uh-huh.
There's nothing wrong with that one. And they're keeping that dividing wall.
Oh, that's the shared wall, is it?
Look at the state of it. Look at the angle of it.
And look how thin it is.
Yeah, that's just it.
And that's just what? Stud wall.
It's brick.
Oh, it's brick. All right, but it's got wood up on the tops of the brick.
Yeah.
So it's like a half a brick thick.
And then, obviously this is next doors. Which theirs has all been done, let's see. Theirs is all...
Oh, it's a lot straighter. Yeah, it's not leaning out as far. There's some serious nailage going on in here.
Yeah. That was all loose when you did that, let's see.
Oh God, yeah.
That come off.
There's woodworm all over it as well.
Yeah. And then... So here you've got your original... We use trees, look, for rafters. It's trees.
A whole tree, yeah? Yeah, it's still got the bark on it.
Yeah, it's a whole tree there. Amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, totally. Is this an old wasp's nest?
Yeah, there was a big one up there that just fell down inside. There's a massive one up there. It's like a football.
And this wood here, is this beech?
I don't know what they used on that, to be honest, mate. It might be hazel, actually.
Hazel, yeah.
Yeah. 'Cause that's all knackered.
Yeah.
It's unreal, isn't it?
It is. Especially with this roof on, keeping the rain off.
And then here you've got the old forged crooks done by a blacksmith. They were made by a blacksmith back in the day.
Yeah, there's quite a few of them actually. Yeah.
Yeah, there is a It's unreal, mate, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, I can see that wasp nest now.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it is.
Massive, I'll tell you. I was trying to keep it up, but it fell down. Cameras. What's that there? A little bit of rag there.
That's an old piece of clothing.
I found a newspaper cutting, right?
Yeah.
Which is in on the kitchen on the side. And it's 2 people on horses.
Okay.
And it was in the
Was there a date of the newspaper cutting?
Went on there, I tried finding that.
Okay.
So this is an oak dolly. This is an eave. So that goes on like that. And then fixed with that. And then we start thatching on top.
Lovely. And it's just tied together with a bit of twine, yeah.
A bit of twine on that one.
Learning on a van though?
I take that on shore.
Oh right. To learn on the van? No. That's ridiculous. Yeah, all the wood's soft, yeah.
They no, they won't. Well, they will show me. But it's like £2
Oh wow. Old blocked up chimney. Gosh.
The head height. Not even.
Oh my, yeah, I can, yeah. I'd struggle walking around in here.
Yeah. So obviously,
especially with the plasterboard on the ceiling.
Obviously, we're going to have all new ceiling. So all this will go up. There's brick in there, let's see.
Oh yeah, I can see the bricks.
And then there's timber. And this is just old plaster heavy mixed.
It's even got horsehair in it.
It's got horsehair in it, yeah.
Yeah.
So that's original. So I'm real on it.
Yeah.
You can work the craftsmanship, right? It's gone on to that roof. How many layers?
Yes.
Oh, this is
over the years, yeah. 230 years of...
I reckon it's we can't find a date of it.
Yeah.
The thing is, bricks weren't invented in the 17th century. So these are handmade bricks.
Right.
I reckon they come in early 1800s.
Okay, handmade bricks, yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to find it, but I can't. Nobody knows when it was built.
Yeah, that's the outer window. That's being pushed forwards by the layers of thatch.
Yeah.
So you can really see how much it's leaning forwards.
Yeah, it's coming away from there. There, right back to there. It's weird, isn't it?
Yeah. So you're having the builder guy come to straighten the wall out and bring it back in,
Yeah,
so it's stable.
Make it all straight. So basically the whole roof will come off, brand new roof, ready for me to go again. Yeah, I've got stuff in there. That's a bedroom.
It's still got the ceiling on it.
Yeah.
Gosh.
The ceiling there was come through.
Oh, it just popped here, yeah. Bathroom.
This is your bathroom. This is where we were just now. So obviously this has all been put in.
And a plasterboard and then tiled over the top.
This is all new. This is. Because the roof goes back further than that, look.
Yeah.
And this is where, in behind there, that was where those stills were.
Yes.
Yeah. So,
secondary glazing.
So come out, they've got all new windows all around.
They're still single glazed, are they?
Yeah.
Or they're going for a double? Yeah.
It's got like overlooking.
Yeah, so yeah, that's what I've kept my Gothic windows,
Yeah.
and I've put internal secondary double glazing. So there's 3 layers of glass. It's not triple glazing, but there's 3 layers of glass.
That there. That's the original.
You can see the headers in the bricks, and they're none factory made, handmade. And then these ones are nice and straight factory made bricks. A bit of bitumen felt flat roof.
That's an add-on, isn't it?
Yeah.
Never short of water.
Well, that's round here. You just dig like a metre down and you got yourself a well.